Hello children, today we are going to study about social studies. Last week what we learned, can you recall it? Yes, we need water. We need water. Which is the main source of water we studied? Rain is the main source of water. What are the sources of water? Pond, lake, river, sea and ocean, waterfalls, well. These are the sources of water we studied in the last lesson. Now today I am going to teach the lesson 3, clothes we wear. What is the topic? Lesson 3 topic, clothes we wear. Clothes is very important basic need of us. Clothes is very important basic need of us. Why I am telling clothes is very important basic need? If we stand without clothes, what others will say? Yeah, they will sing, shame, shame, puppy, shame. Why? The clothes covers our body. So we should not live without clothes. Clothes only to cover our body? No. Clothes keep us safe from heat, cold, rain and wind. Clothes keep us safe from heat, cold, rain and wind. Only this? No. Clothes also keep us safe from insects bites. Insects bites. Okay, now we all are wearing nice clothes, colorful, everything. Those days, in ancient days, people don't have a clothes. So what they did, they covered their body with the leaves and the skin of animals. How do they cover their body? The olden days, with the leaves and the skin of animals. Then later on they learned how to make a clothes. Children, according to seasons, occasions, we wear variety of clothes. According to seasons, occasions, we wear variety of clothes. How we get the clothes from? How we get different types of clothes from? In this lesson, we are going to learn about kinds of clothes, what are clothes made of, special clothes and costumes. These 4 topics in this lesson we are going to learn. Today, kinds of clothes and what clothes are made of. These 2 topics today I am going to teach you. Now we will go to the kinds of clothes. In first standard, you might learn the seasons. The main 3 seasons, summer, winter and rainy season. In 3 seasons, we wear different types of clothes. In summer, we wear cotton clothes. Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? Why do we wear cotton clothes? Because it's too hot and we'll be sweating. So cotton clothes absorb sweats and keep us cool. Cotton clothes absorb sweat and keep us cool. Okay, where do we get cotton from? Where do we get cotton from? We get cotton from cotton plant. I told you we get cotton from the cotton plants. See this one, this is an artificial plant. I thought how to show you. So by my image I made this like a cotton plant. But don't think cotton is not coming from plant. It's from the plant. Now we'll see in the picture. You have seen the artificial plant which I showed. Now you can see the picture, the natural cotton plant. Observe it very closely, the cottons are looks like a flower. Can you see it? It's all looks like flower. This cottons, they'll collect it from the cotton plant, and this is the process of making a cotton thread. They take the cotton, they'll make a thread. When they make the thread will become very thick. They'll spin it in that machine and they'll send to the weavers. After making the thick thread in the factory, they'll make it in a thin thread and they'll color it and they'll send to the weavers. The weavers will weave many clothes. Those clothes only we are wearing, and we are getting the many different colors of clothes from the weavers. Now clearly we studied how we get the cotton clothes. Yes, in summer we wear cotton clothes, we get from the cotton plants. Some of the cotton clothes, you can see it. See the cotton clothes. See the cotton clothes. Yes, yes. This will absorb the sweat and keep us cool in summer, and whenever we feel hot, if we wear cotton clothes, it will keep us cool. When we feel very cold, what we will do? We'll find out to warm up ourselves. To warm up ourselves, what we'll do? We wear a sweater. And in season, when we wear, in winter season, we wear sweater. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Where do we get woolen clothes from? Yes, we wear woolen clothes to keep us warm and protect us from the cold. Why do we wear woolen clothes? We wear woolen clothes to keep us warm and protect us from the cold. Where do we get woolen? Where do we get? Yes, we get wool from the sheep. Now we'll see in the picture how we get wool from the sheep. What picture you're seeing? Sheep. Where do we get wool from? We get wool from sheep. How we are getting? You're thinking how we can get from the sheep? The sheep, see the head of the sheep. It's very beautiful. After 4 or 5 months, the hair grows very thick. See the next picture? Can you see it? It's carrying very heavy weight. The fur of the sheep is heavy weight. It could not stand. Only the face you can see it on it. What they will do as it is they live? No. The caretaker. What the caretaker will do? The caretaker will shave all the fur from it. You can see how they are shaving the fur from the sheep. This you can see clear it. In the next picture, see the half of the sheep is shaved and the fur, the hair, how thick it is. This they are collected and they are sent to the factories. From the factories, they'll make it as a thread. They'll put a colors and they'll bring us a wool. They bring it as a wool. From the wool, we are getting the many woolen clothes. Now we saw clear picture of the how we get wool from the sheep. In winter, we wear woolen clothes. We get wool from sheep. Many will have a like this cloth. What is this? Can you guess it? Yes, it's a sweater. All are having at home. Yes, when you feel fever or when you feel sick, the mother will put it to protect you from the cold. And this is the socks, and we will get the cap, gloves, everything, and the blanket. This all they'll made from the wool. We have saw the two seasons, summer and the winter. Winter woolen clothes, summer cotton clothes. Now the next season is rainy season. In rainy season, mostly we won't go out. If you want to go out, how will go? As it is, you'll walk out? No, we don't want to wet ourselves. So we will carry or we'll wear raincoat. We will wear raincoat or we'll carry a, what will carry? An umbrella. Why do we wear these things, raincoat, and why we are carrying the umbrella? See the raincoat, why we are wearing and why we have to carry an umbrella? They protect us from the rain and keep us dry. They protect us from the rain and keep us dry. So that we are wearing raincoat while we go out in the rain, and we'll carry umbrella to protect ourselves from the rain. These things are made up of plant, tree, rubber tree, or plastics. Some they'll make in a rubber, some they'll make the plastics. So the raincoat and umbrella is prepared by the rubber. Now we see, we saw the raincoats and the umbrella. These things protect us from the rain. See, rainy season, raincoat. Raincoat, some of the raincoats made by the rubber. Rubber from where we get? We get from the tree. See, once again you see kinds of clothes. Kinds of clothes, cotton, woolen and raincoat. Raincoat from the rubber. Here how they make? Cotton from the cotton plants, wool from the sheep, rubber from the tree. Summer, cotton. Winter, woolen clothes. Rainy season, raincoat. These are the three main seasons. We use these clothes to protect from all the things like cold, heat and rain. So next class we are going to study the costumes and different clothes for the job, special clothes. Today's assignment, some missing letters I am going to give. This you have to fill it and you have to send to the WhatsApp. See, carefully watch. While I am writing itself, you should know to spell it. C dash T dash N. Can anyone guess what spelling? Okay, last we'll see. The next one. W dash L dash E N. W dash L dash E N. The third one, S dash M dash E R. The fourth one, W dash N T dash R. Fifth one, R dash I N C dash A T. Okay, now first missing. What are the letters are missing? Once I'll tell you, but when you write without seeing the video, you have to fill this one. First one is cotton. What's the spelling for cotton? C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. Woolen. W-O-O-L-L-E-N, woolen. Summer. S-U-M, what is missing here? M-E-R, summer. Winter. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. What is this one? Is R-A-I-N, rain. Coat. C-O-A-T, coat. Cotton, woolen, summer, winter and raincoat. What are the spellings are missing there? That you have to fill it and write it in the rough note and send to me. Now see the next assignment. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Number 1. Long ago, people covered themselves with leaves or clothes. Once again, long ago, people covered themselves with leaves or clothes. Which is the correct answer? You have to tick the correct answer. The number 2. We get cotton from the jute plant or cotton plant. We get cotton from the jute plant or cotton plant. Which is the correct one? That you have to tick and send to me through the WhatsApp. In the next class, we will learn about special clothes and the costumes. Now the time to finish the class. Children, you are doing very well. Whatever the assignments we are giving, everything you are doing and you are sending. It's very nice to see you are studying. Don't give up the spirit. Okay, study well, stay at home safely and study nice. Thank you.